All right, the first panel is the easiest panel.
Okay.
You're gonna take two hands and you're gonna pull it to you. And the track is gonna do everything by itself. Now this is your lead jam, so you're gonna always be pulling more on that right side. So you're gonna pull it straight up, there you go. And then you're gonna walk it on down the track. All right, when you get to this part right here, so everybody sees, this is your top jam on this side. This here is gonna go straight into the end jam right here, okay? That is gonna activate, what it does is when you push it, it's gonna activate that to go up. It's gonna create your seal, and this is for your bottom seal. So give it a little push.
Okay.
Now, once you get it there, you can use the expandable and close it up. Y'all see the expandable that she's cranking out back in the back?
No.
Now you keep going. Now you see how it's closing up here?
Yeah. Actually.
And then you crank down your bottom seal. All right, we're gonna do a sound test. John, you wanna go to the other side?
Yep.
It is, yes. It's a very short, it's a high spot in the floor in there. John, you on the other side? Al, you mind closing that door? Hey, I can hear you a little bit. Yeah, but it's very, very faint. So you can have two things going on at the same time. Okay?
And so this needs to be on this
Yes.
side?
He has some paint on him. There you go. Now go ahead and oh, there you go, just a little bit. Yep.
Lock it.
It's in the folder.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. And then pull it to you. Pull that to you.
This one, I told him I was